I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
What is Pythagoras Theorem? In mathematics, the Pythagorean Theorem, also known as Pythagoras Theorem, is a relation in Euclidean geometry among the three sides of a right triangle. It states that the square of the hypotenuse, which also means the side opposite of the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides.
You have learned how to find the hypotenuse in a triangle. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it on a real world. Pythagoras theorem is useful in fields such as civil engineering, architecture, and navigation. Now I'm going to show you the application of Pythagoras theorem in the real world. Ali usually ride bikes from home to the park using Maple Street, then up to Obi Street. He wants to know the length of C Street, and he knows the length of the length of Maple Street is 3 miles, and Obi Street is 4 miles. Now we're going to use Obi Street is 4 miles plus, you must square it, plus 3 miles square is equals to 4 square is equals to C Street. 4 square is equals to 16 square plus 16 plus 3 square is equals to 9 is equals to 25. So C Street is equals to 25. That's all.
Move on to the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Let's learn the basics. If a triangle is a right angled triangle, then the sum of the squares of the legs, which is a square plus b square, is equals to the square of the hypotenuse, which is c square. Now, in this triangle, this is the hypotenuse, the longest side of the triangle, and this is the a square and b square. The hypotenuse is always going to be c square. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. If the sum of the squares of the legs of the triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, then the triangle will always be a right angled triangle. Let's say if you didn't know that this triangle is a right angled triangle. So how do you solve this? Basically, you use the formula a square plus b square equals to c square. So a square is 3 square, b square is 4 square, and c square is equals to 5 square. 3 square equals to 9 plus 4 square equals to 16, 5 square equals to 25. So if the sum of the legs of the triangle, which is a and b, if the sum is equals to the hypotenuse, then the triangle will always be a right angled triangle. So 16 plus 9 equals to 6 plus 9, 15, 1 plus 1, 25. So the answer is 25. There you go, right angled triangle.